What's up, guys? It's just Vinny here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to clean a shotgun. Let's get started. The stuff you'll need is a shotgun. This you don't need, but it's a thing to take out the choke for at the end of the barrel. I'm going to be cleaning the choke and the inside of the barrel, so it'll be easier. But you don't need that, so if you have it, then I suggest using it. Got blue paper towels and an arrow. So, first thing we're going to do is whack the hammer, grab a blue paper towel, and just clean the inside. I mean, we're not going to get like all of the shotgun. We're going to be able to clean like majority of it, but I'm not going to be able to clean 100% of it, so I'm going to rip a little piece off, put it on here, and get behind the trigger. I don't even know why I'm cleaning this. Just rip another piece off, and I'm gonna put it forward. Okay, so I know I didn't get 100% of it clean, but I'm gonna clean the cap and inside of the barrel. So let's do the cap first. So we're gonna have to take this off. Okay. That had a lot of grease. Okay, which that allows you to take off the barrel. So I'm just gonna clean. Okay. So now what we're gonna want to do is I'm just gonna roll this up. And I'll put it in the barrel. I'm gonna get my arrow. I'm just gonna. And now that thing is in there, and I'm just gonna get my arrow, and I'm just gonna push it until it comes out the end. That is really greasy inside. I just got this today from Walmart. Wow. Okay, well. That. Oh. I'm actually gonna take out the choke. So that's what that tool is used for, to take out the choke. Okay, I'm gonna grab a new paper towel. Just trying to clean the outside. This is a Remington mod. I think it's for closer range, like less spread. I don't know. There, now we're gonna quickly throw it back in. Okay, now I'm gonna throw it back in, which just like that. And now I'm gonna get the cap that I just got cleaned. And if you guys want to put a plug in, you just get your plug, put it right there. I'll actually show you my plug right now. This is what my plug looks like. You just throw it in just like this. You push it all the way down. And then when this is all the way down, you do it on. Because when you're hunting, like duck hunting or pheasant hunting, you need these. This might not be the right one, but there's different like kinds, and you're gonna need them when you're hunting, otherwise it's illegal. So that's how you clean Remington 870 20 gauge. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.